Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can select multiple layers all at once in Photopea. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So as you can see, we're on photopea.com, and for demonstration purposes, I created these two text layers here, layer 1, and I named the second one layer 2. And now let me show you how to select both of them to edit them or to customize them simultaneously, or alternatively, let me add a third layer. So to do that, simply click on T here on the left sidebar and hold your mouse here to create text box. After that, let me type in, for example, layer 3. So that would be our third text layer. So select the select tool or move tool here in the top left corner. And after that, all you need to do, guys, is take a look at that list of layers here to the right. We got layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. So simply hold Shift, left Shift on your keyboard, and after that, simply select these layers one by one with your left mouse while holding left Shift. As you can see, all three have been selected. So if I, for instance, click on layer 1 or text layer 1 and move it, all three text layers will be moved. And that's it. That's all the magic behind this, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.